Njord Accelerator is a manifestation of ensuring a clear-cut focus on getting more technologies ready for the industry. The potential of reducing the energy consumption on board on an existing vessel with the Njord at 6 to 16%. If we add the accelerator technologies that we are working on now, we can triple that reduction. We're moving into multiple suppliers for the same type of equipment, maybe with different approaches, to get as much good technology to the market as soon as possible. So it is an accelerator in the sense that we don't want the journey for our onboard carbon capture system to take 5 years to be adopted in the industry. We want it to be much faster, because the environment needs us to take action quicker, sooner, rather than later. So if we can play a part there for a mutual benefit for all parties, that's what we should do, and that's what we are starting up now. My background is a marine engineer, and as such I'm quite passionate about making different types of machinery work together. On board a ship you have a whole city, and everything has to support each other. And while I was sailing, I was quite passionate about optimizing these processes through engagement. Utilizing all the good technology on board better can only take you so far. Then you need to adopt new technologies to the vessels. It's the new technologies that will further enable the future propulsion systems and the future fuels, because their energy density is only half and the cost will likely be 3, maybe 4 times higher than traditional fuels. So you need a dramatic reduction of your energy consumption on board before switching to new fuels. There are obviously new hull designs, ship designs, from new buildings will take us a great way. But with 100,000 vessels out there, there's a lot of ships that really need to reduce their energy consumption so they can be retrofitted with a new propulsion system to manage future fuels. There are a lot of barriers in the shipping industry to why companies are not adopting the technologies on a wide scale in the shipping industry. So we as a progressive company actually managed quite well. We decided to try find a way to assist the shipping industry in adopting the known technologies, and knowing that will only take you so far, we also needed an accelerator program to introduce new technologies that can raise the bar even more on performance or optimization on ships. And that's why we have Accelerator today, where we join forces with suppliers of technology. We join them in a collaboration where we are knowledge partners, integrators and validators of the technology, and can work very flexibly in different constellations where we either jump on our existing projects to help confirm the feasibility of the technology, and then quickly help the supplier scale their product by having access to more ship owners that have the interest in new technologies. This will enable retrofit for the future fuels, but until that is more mature and you know what fuels to go for, you can capture the savings by reducing your emissions. So wind-assisted propulsion, hull grooming systems, onboard carbon capture can take you basically to zero, principally. There is still a need for infrastructure, this and that, but the potential is very high. And that is what we are exploring now, is the right combination of these technologies and how far it makes sense to go